Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad unable to join the network LTE. If you face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on Wi-Fi connection. From here, what you need to do is forget this network, and after a few minutes, try again to connect. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method and open your again iPhone and iPad settings. Scroll down, then tap on Journal. Scroll down, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Setting. Enter your passcode. And tap on Reset Network Setting. After Reset Network Setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Go back and open again iPhone and iPad setting. Scroll down, then tap on Journal. Then tap on Shutdown. Slide to power off, and after a few minutes, and try to connect your Wi-Fi connection. Open your setting and tap on Wi-Fi and try to connect your Wi-Fi, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back, open your again iPhone iPad setting, tap on Wi-Fi, and from here tap on connection. Scroll down, USCNC proxy, tap on this. From here what you need to do is select off, and after that go back and tap on DNS, tap on this. You make sure that tap on automatic, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.